Oh my goodness. I literally could not ask for a better product. For something, if you're looking for something that works brand new out of the box and just prints and does what you want it to, this is the machine for you. If you're looking for something open source, I wouldn't necessarily go for this. But for what I'm looking for, I mean, intricate design, it's doing great. This is 300 millimeters a second, which is half of what this printer is capable of. And it's going. I'm very happy with this purchase.
Ready, set, showtime. Trapped like a fire in my bones.
Camera not included, light not included, and I had to make a slide so the poop comes out here and not just dumps behind the desk. And then this one for number 3. It would randomly fall out of the IFS. So, we'll see how it goes. But so far, pretty decent.
Inside me.